What's up guys, Vincent here, and today we are going to take a look at Google's continued conversation. So at Google I/O 2018, Google launched many new features for the Google Assistant, one of those being the continued conversation. So this feature is basically for those who have difficulties talking to Google Assistant or activating it by saying, "Hey Google" or "Okay Google."
Google! Hi Google! Hey Google! Okay Google! Play an Italian song!
And also, most importantly, to make the conversation more fluent, it just eliminates the usage of word "Hey Google" or "Okay Google" every time you talk to Assistant. Like, for example, you have a lot of questions to ask to your Google Assistant. So starting off with the question number one, like, "Hey Google, what is the weather?" Or "Hey Google, what is the weather in particular area?" You will say that. And to ask the next question, you have to say "Hey Google" or "Okay Google" once again. But with the continued conversation feature, you don't have to say that. You will just say, "Hey Google, what's the weather today?" Assistant will answer. Then you will ask the next question right away. This is what it looks like.
Hey Google, did the Warriors win?
Yes, the Warriors won 118-92 last Sunday against the Pelicans.
Nice. When's their next game?
The Warriors' next game is today at 7:30 p.m., where they will be playing the Pelicans.
Great. It's going to be fun to watch tonight. Hey, remind me to find my Kevin Durant jersey when I get home.
Sure, I'll remind you when you get home.
Awesome, right? But there's more to this feature. To make your conversation with the Google Assistant more natural, Google has added one more feature which allows you to talk to another person while you're talking to the Google Assistant. For example, you are talking to your Google Assistant and suddenly someone comes into your room and starts talking to you. You cannot ignore them, and you also start talking to them. So Google Assistant will know when you are talking to it and when you are talking to someone else. So during your conversation to somebody else, Google Assistant will keep quiet and will wait for your next question. This all works with the help of AI, obviously. Google is focusing more on AI to make the human life more easier, and Assistant is no exception. This feature will be available in next few weeks. Google has not announced the exact launch date, and I'm sure that when it will come to your assistants, it will not be that perfect, but it will change by time because it's artificial intelligence, you know. Thank you for watching, and talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.